Are you searching for the best butterfly knife skin for CSGO?
Look no further.
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the OSAIV Pocket Folding Wood Knife, a speed-safe assisted opening EDC tactical knife that's turning heads in the market.
What makes this knife stand out? Let's explore its features and benefits in detail. First up, let's talk about convenience.
The OSAIV folding pocket knife boasts an assisted opening mechanism, ensuring smooth and quick blade deployment. Say goodbye to the hassle of struggling to open your knife. This one is designed for easy, one-handed operation. Safety is paramount, and this knife delivers. With its reliable internal liner lock, you can trust that the blade is securely locked in place when in use.
Plus, its portable design, complete with a pocket clip and leather sheath, makes it easy and safe to carry wherever your adventures take you.
Crafted from high-quality 7CR14 stainless steel, this knife strikes the perfect balance between durability and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 0.23 pounds, it's the ideal companion for outdoor activities like camping, hunting, and survival situations.
Comfort matters, especially during prolonged use.
That's why the OSAIV pocket knife is engineered with an ergonomic wooden handle, minimizing hand fatigue and maximizing cutting efficiency. Not to mention, the natural wood adds a touch of elegance to its design, making it a great gift for anyone in need of a reliable tool. Speaking of gifting, the OSAIV pocket knife comes packaged in an exquisite box, complete with a high-quality leather sheath and blade cleaning cloth. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or Christmas gift, this knife is sure to impress.
And there you have it.
The OSAIV Pocket Folding Wood Knife, the best butterfly knife skin for CSGO and a versatile tool for all your outdoor adventures.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy exploring!